Good afternoon to all. All of you ready for listening our class? Now we discussed which chapter? Chapter 2, parallel lines. Okay. All of you study what is the meaning of parallel line. Okay. What is a parallel line? When a line, which are the line keeping same distance everywhere and do not meet anywhere. That like lines are called parallel lines. Okay. That all we discussed. All of you study also. Parallel lines forming one quadrilateral. What is the name of that quadrilateral? Parallelogram. Okay. Parallel line. What is the special about parallelogram? That all. What is the special about parallelogram? Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. That all points are discussed at the last class. Today we are discussing new topic, new and very important topic of this lesson. What is the topic name? Corresponding and alternate angle. What is the name? Corresponding and alternate angle. What do you mean by corresponding angle? What is alternative angle? We already, that previous class we already discussed. When a line crossing across a parallel line form four pair of angles. How many angles formed? Four pair of angles. How can form that four pair of angles? When a third line crossing across, cutting across a parallel line. That is when a third line crossing a parallel line, then form four pair of angle. Four pair of angle. Four pair of angle. That line I broken and given that they short that line is broken. That time you got two linear pairs. Two linear pairs. Did you remember that? Did you remember that previous class? The third line cutting across a parallel line, that time form four pair of angles. Four pair of angles. What is the special about that lines? That angles? Previous class I showed that lines cutting and broken and given. How can that what happened that time? You got easily find out that one part is linear pair. Linear pair. What is the special about linear pair? When a line crossing across that time, four angles got that opposite angles are equal and nearby angles are 180 degree. That already we discussed that topic. Today, one pair of parallel lines crossing another line, cutting across a third line. That time form four pair of angles. How many angles? Four pair of angles. Four pair of angles means how many angles? 8 angles are formed. 8 angles are formed. What is the special about that angles? Today we will discuss that. Okay, look at this picture. Now, one pair of parallel lines are given. The third line is cutting across. Third line is cutting across. Easily find out. I given that number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles there have? There have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 angles are given. Okay. All of you saw this? Again, I will explain again. One pair of parallel line I given. One pair of parallel line I given. And the third line is crossing. The third line is cutting across. Okay. That time, how many angles are formed? How many angles are formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These angles have some relation. These angles have some relation. What is the relation? What is the relation? Anybody know that? What is the relation? Some angles are formed at a similar position. Some angles are formed at similar position. Some angles are formed at alternate position or reverse position. If the angles are formed similar position, it is called corresponding angles. What do you mean by corresponding angles? When a linear pair, when a line cutting across a pair of parallel line, that angles formed in similar position. Angles formed in similar position. That word is very important. Angles formed in a similar position, that is called a corresponding angle. Once again, when a line cut across a pair of parallel lines, then formed four angles. Then formed a four pair of angles. That angles are, some angles are formed in similar position. Four angles are formed in similar position. That is called a corresponding angles. That is called a corresponding angles. Okay. Which are the same position? Which are the same position? That easily understood. I will give that same number. First number 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see these numbers? Did you see these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. This line is another. Look at this line, same as a linear pair. That time you got. Now I give one pair of parallel line crossing that third line, cut across a third line. That time form, there have one angle, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That four pair of angles are formed. I give that a number, same number I give 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I give 1, 2, 3, 4. Same number. You got the same number. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. That angles are formed in same position. Where is the same position? First one, that line upper side or top side. Top, that left side formed one angle. Left side formed one angle. That is the same position of the under that line top again formed that left side one angle. That number I give, same number I give one. That two angles are called corresponding angle. Understood? Eh? Once again, when two lines I given, one parallel line, the third line crossing across, that a left side top, one angle is formed. That just same again, that second line top left side and formed another angle formed. That two angles are called corresponding angle. Two angles are called corresponding angle. Next one again. Next right side, top of the right side again formed another angle. That is just same position. Second line top right side again formed another angle. That angle is another corresponding angle. That angle is another corresponding angle. I will give that number 2. That this number also number 2. This number is 2. Okay. That two angles are called corresponding angle. Which side? That left side same position, top of the line. First line top and second line top form same angle, same position. Angles are formed. That angles are called corresponding angle. Angles formed in similar position, that is called corresponding angle. Next one again, that first line, left side, that under or bottom, formed one angle, that angle's number is 3. That angle's number is 3. Again, that second line, under, left side under, again formed another angle, that angle's number is 3 same. That two angles are, third angle formed that similar position, left side bottom, left side under that line, that is called which type of angle? Corresponding angle. Set 3, which is third pair, that is the third pair. Next one again, right side under, again formed another angle, number 4, left side, right side under, next angle is formed fourth pair. What is the pair of this angle? The second line under, again formed another angle. What is the name of that angle? Number 4. This is the fourth pair. That is the fourth pair. What is the special about that angles? These angles are formed in similar position. These angles are formed in similar position. This type of angle is called a corresponding angle. These angles are called a corresponding angle. How can get one pair of corresponding angles? How can get one pair of parallel line? The third line cutting across form 4 pair of angles. 4 pair of angles. Each pairs are corresponding angles. How can? These angles are formed in similar position. These angles are formed in similar position. Understood? I think all of you understood. Now I give that measures and names. What is the special about that corresponding angles? First special I will find out what is the special. These corresponding angles are formed in similar position. What is you find out? That corresponding angles are formed in similar position. Corresponding angles are formed in similar position. Which one is which side? Right side, top. Again, second line, right side top. Next one, left side top. Second line, left side top. Okay, same position. These angles are called corresponding angles. Okay, once more. When a line cutting across a pair of parallel line, then formed 4 pair of angles. 4 pair of angles. These angles are formed in similar position. These angles are formed in similar position. These angles are called corresponding angle. These angles are called corresponding angles. Okay, these are called corresponding angles. Next case, I will give that name and measures of the angle. Name and measures of the angle. Again, one pair of parallel line, a third line crossing across, the third line cutting across. What is the name of first line? AB. What is the name? AB. Next line, CD. What is the name? CD. First one, name AB. Second name CD. Last line EF. Third line. What is the name of this line? EF. Again 2 point also. These are the joining parts. Joining parts. EF, G, H. Okay. What I do now? First one, I draw one parallel line. The third line cutting across. The third line cutting across. What is the name of the parallel lines? Parallel line AB, CD. AB and CD. The third line EF. The third line EF cutting across. Then get 2 points also. That lines are joining. At the third line joining time, you got another 2 points. Which one? G and H. Okay. Now I give this line is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. How can find out the other angle? Well, how can find out the other angle? You already studied. This is a linear pair. Which one? How can find out? That nearby angles sum is 180 degree. Nearby angles, how many? 180 minus 30. 180 minus 30. That time you got a 150. How can you got 150? What is answer? 150. Okay. 150 degree. Again, that one line cutting across another line form four angles. Form four angles. What is the special about that angles? Nearby angles are 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. What about opposite angles are equal? What about this angle? This is the opposite side of 30. This is also 30 degree. This is 150 degree. Okay. All of you understood? That already discussed, finished the portion. That portion. What is so special about? This is a linear pair. That time nearby angles are 180 degree. Nearby angles are 180 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. I told that just before I told that left side top how many degree? Left side top how many degree? 150 degree. Same. That second line top how many degree? Second line top also 150 degree. How many degree? 150 degree. Again, that right side of the top how many degree? Same as 30 degree. One angle is given. That time what happened? Opposite sides are equal. This also 30 degree. This also 150 degree. What is the special about that angles? Which are the corresponding angles? You already find out. Corresponding angles. Which are the corresponding angles? What is the pairs? You all also you remembering that? Which are the pairs? 1, 1. Top side 1. Next one, left side at top angle. What is the number of that angle? 1. What about under that left side top angle? 1. What is the pair? What is the name of the pair? 1, 1. Next one, right side top. What is the name of that angle? Right side top. 2. Next one, again, under the line, that top angle is called a 2. What is the pair? 2, 2. Again, left side bottom. What is the number of that angle? 3. Again, next side 3, 3. Next one, 4, 4. What is the pair of this? This is the corresponding angles. Easily understood that. What is the pairs of corresponding angles? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. This part easily find out. When you get one linear pair or when you get a parallel lines cutting across that type of question, that time you already given that linear pair, 2 lines, 1 line crossing across, that time 4 angles are formed, that 4 number, continuous 4 numbers are given. Next one, again give that bottom, down another line, that line also give 1, 2, 3, 4. That I am for grouping 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. That is the corresponding angles. In this case, you find out that measures also. What is the measure of 1? Angle 1. Top side angle 1. What is the measure? 150 degree. What about under? Under another line. What is the number 1? That angles measure. What is the measure? 150 degree. What about the second case? That the right side top, what is the measure? 30 degree. What about the bottom? Second line top second angle? 30 degree. Next one again, find out. What is the third angles measure? Third angles. Where is the place of third angle? Where is the place of third angle? That left side bottom. How many degree? 30 degree. What about under another CD? What is angle? 30 degree. What do you conclude this? What do you understood this time? Corresponding angles were formed a similar position. One more answer also you got. What is corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Corresponding angles are equal. How can find out the angles name? First angle. What's the name of first angle? A, G, E. How can find out the angles name? Angle, first angle, angle A, G, E. A, G, E. One starting point, end point, and joining point also. Every time writing that measures that joining point or vertex or middle. Okay. A, G, E. A, G, E. How many degree? 150 degree. What is the pair of corresponding degree? Corresponding angle another one. Angle CHE. CHE. The starting point and end point want to find out. End point. Which one is end point name? E. Okay. Just like you want to do that another angle's name also. Now we discuss which angle? Corresponding angle. When form a corresponding angle? When a line cutting across a parallel line, then form four pair of angles. How many angles? Four pair of angles. That four pair of angles, some angles are formed in similar position. Some angles are formed in similar position. What is the name of that angle? That is similar position formed angles are called corresponding angle. That angles are called corresponding angle. Again, one more thing. Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. I think all of you understood. Next class, we want to discuss another pair. What is the name of that angle? Alternate angle. What is the name of alternate angles? It is very simple. Now we discuss the corresponding angles are equal position. Next reverse. Next reverse. What is the similar? What is the again opposite of similar? Reverse position. Okay, reverse position. That is called alternate angle. Alternate angle also equal. Alternate angles measure also equal. Okay. That is your homework. Which one is your homework? Complete this problem. Complete this problem. Want to draw your notebook neatly and find out the all corresponding angles. How many corresponding angles? 8 angles. 4 pair of angles. What is the special about that angles? Corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. How can find out the corresponding angles position? Similar position, how can find out? First line you got, you give a continuous number 1, 2, 3, 4. Again that bottom line also you give 1, 2, 3, 4. That easily find out 1, 1. First group will the 1. Second line love 1. Similar position. Next one 2. Next line love 2. 2, 2. Next one 3. Upper second position love 3. 3, 3, 4, 4. You check it that measures also equal. Your answer is correct. Okay, all of you do your no one to go go and you sit there. Now want to complete this problem. After you go to other works. Okay, I will checking time. All of you send your homework my mobile number, personal number. Okay, no need to send a group. Understood? All of you ready? Agree? Okay, thank you.